Hey friends, we've got a quick little curve tutorial today. We're going to take the inner and outer pieces of the curve and line up the edges and corners. We're going to fold it in half and make a nice little crease there so we can tell where the middle is. Right sides to rights, we're going to scoot the inner curve up and line it up. Make sure that on the 2 points that there's equal space on the bottom. Stick a pin right in the middle of that crease and then take the other edge, line up the edges and stick a pin in it. And you don't have to stick a pin in this other part, just line it up. I like to put the floppy part on top and feed it under my machine. Only worry about the first inch in front of your needle, don't worry about anything else. And if the pieces don't line up exactly right, curves are usually pretty forgiving, so just keep feeding that through there. If you get little tucks, most of those iron out, but you can just give it a little tug. And once you get to the end, if the inner curve is a little bit shorter than the outer curve, don't worry about it. As long as it's less than 1/4 of an inch and you can safely secure it to the other pieces in your quilt, you're pretty much golden. Ta-da!